Share products live under Admin, Products, Shares. Each row is a template for share accounts, name, short name, and how many shares the product can issue. Search filters the list. New share product opens the wizard when your role allows it. This walkthrough is the cycle the core banking system supports. Create an ordinary share product, set cash accounting with the 4 general ledger accounts, save it, read the definition, and edit it. The name is Normal Share with Accounting. Share products have no start or close date, no accrual option, and no delete. The wizard is 8 steps: details, currency, terms, settings, market price, charges, accounting, and review. On a large screen, the steps stay in a left rail. Previous and next sit at the bottom. Required fields are marked with an asterisk. The name is what officers see when they open a share account. Normal Share with Accounting. The short name is at most 4 characters. SHWA. The core banking system treats it as a unique code, so a second product cannot reuse it while this one exists. A short description is enough. This is a cash accounting ordinary share product on the demo tenant. There is no fund field and no product availability window. Unlike a loan product, shares stay available until you delete them. Currency stays the institution default. Amount fields already show the currency code, not a symbol. Decimal places and multiples come from the currency you pick. Amounts stay disabled until a currency is chosen. Terms are how many shares this product can issue. Total shares is the authorized count, the ceiling. Shares issued cannot be greater than total. Leave both at 1,000. These are product totals, not what one client holds. Unit price is what one share costs. 10 in the institution currency. Share capital is issued shares times unit price, 10,000. You cannot type capital. The core banking system stores it. Change the price or issued count and capital updates. Settings is how many shares a client can hold on one account. Minimum 1, nominal 10, maximum 100. Nominal is required. It cannot sit below the minimum or above the maximum. Leave a bound blank if you do not need that limit. Lock-in is optional. If you enter a period, you must also pick a unit: days, weeks, months, or years. Leave it blank so accounts can redeem without waiting. Minimum active period for dividends is also optional, and it must be in days. That is the only unit the core banking system accepts. Weeks, months, and years are refused. Leave dividends for inactive clients off unless your policy pays them. Market price periods are optional history. Each row is a from date and a share value that applies from that date, not a product start or close date. Skip the table if the unit price is enough. 2 rows cannot share the same from date. We add 1 period so you see the shape. The from date defaults to today. Set the share value to 10, the same as the unit price, so the first market period matches what we just saved on terms. Charges are optional. Only share charges in this product's currency appear. Share charges cannot be penalties. This product starts with none attached, so every new account is clean. Officers can still add a fee on the account later. Accounting is the posting rule. Share products have 2 styles: none and cash. There is no accrual periodic and no accrual upfront. Those exist on savings and loans. None is the default. No general ledger posts and no accounts are required. Use none when the product should not keep books in Bankayo. Still designing, a paper process, or another system is the ledger. Share accounts can still be opened. They just do not write journal lines here. Cash posts when share money moves, an activation fee, a purchase, a redeem. It needs 4 detail accounts. Headers never appear in these pickers. Accrual is not on this list. If you need receivable or payable accounts, use a savings or loan product instead. This product is cash. Pick cash and the 4 required accounts appear. Every picker lists only detail accounts of the matching type, with the GL code in front of the name. Header accounts only group other accounts, so they never show here. Share reference is the cash or bank asset that share money moves through. 1110, cash at main vault. It is an asset, like savings reference on a savings product or fund source on a loan product. Share suspense is a liability for money in flight, a purchase that has left cash and not yet landed in equity. 2130, share suspense. The seated chart already has that name. This picker lists liability accounts only. Share equity is the equity account for subscribed capital. 3120, share equity. This picker lists equity accounts only, not liabilities named equity, and not the header that groups them. Income from fees is the default for every share fee on this product. 4210, income from fees. Officers can still add a fee on the account if you did not attach charges here. There is no mapping step on a share product. These 4 accounts are the whole cash set. Read the 4 pickers once more. Reference is an asset, suspense a liability, equity an equity account, and fees an income account. If a picker is empty, create a detail account of that type under Chart of Accounts first. Review repeats every section. Accounting should read cash, with cash at main vault, share suspense, share equity, and income from fees. Jump back from the rail if something looks wrong. Values stay filled in. Save creates the product and opens the definition. That is create. Officers can then open share accounts on normal share with accounting. If save is refused, the message is from the core banking system. Fix the highlighted fields and try again. The definition is read. Short name, SHWA, unit price 10, share capital 10,000, mine 1, nominal 10, max 100, and accounting cash. Share products stay on a fact list, not a sectioned workspace like loans or savings. Edit reopens the same 8-step wizard. Close would return here without saving. We will change the description so the update is visible, then save again. Creating needed create permission. Editing needs update permission. Details still holds the name and short name. Add 1 word to the description so you can see the save land on the definition. Jump to settings from the rail. The wizard validates every step you skip over, so cash accounts stay required. Maximum shares is still 100. Cut it to 50, so the update also changes a number officers will notice. Review, then save. Accounting stays cash with the same 4 accounts. That right is update. Same wizard, same save. A product that already exists. The definition now shows the edited description and maximum shares 50. That is update. The core banking system will refuse a field that does not match its rules. Unlike a savings product, a share product cannot be deleted. There is no delete on this page. The template stays in the catalog. Use Edit when terms change. Back on the list, search for normal share with accounting. The row is still there. That is Create, Read, and Update, the cycle the core banking system supports.